Let's make some Disney mini brand magnets by attaching these little magnets to the Disney mini brand toys. With the help of pliers, I removed the toys from the box. Let's glue the magnets on the toys. For this we need super glue. Now all Disney mini brand magnets are on the fridge. Which magnet do you think is the best? The Thor's hammer magnets? Woody magnet? Captain Marvel magnet? R2-D2 magnet? Toy Story Alien magnet? Or Lightning McQueen magnets? My favorite is the Toy Story Alien magnet because it is so cute. Thanks for watching this video.